Fixing a blurry iPhone camera is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that you'll want to do is if you have the camera open, and let's say it's really blurry and you can't really see what is on the camera, the first thing I would recommend doing, it sounds simple, but just clean the camera lenses. So clean all three of them or two of them, however many you have. And you might want to take the case off of your iPhone to make sure that there isn't an obstruction on the case that is causing your camera itself to not focus and to be blurry. The next thing I would recommend doing is if you have the camera app open, just swipe up and close out of the camera app and then try opening it up again. Now, after we've done that, if that doesn't work, let's go into your settings here and we'll scroll down, tap on camera. And from here, you can see preserve settings here. Tap on that and make sure everything is turned off, especially certain things like night mode and portrait zoom. Essentially, if you made some unusual adjustments to the settings of your camera, they will all go back to the default whenever you open the camera back up. Now, if you open up the camera here and you can see on the zoom, if I zoom in all the way, you can notice that it will be quite blurry. So you might want to zoom back out to 1x and see if it works then. Another thing is if you go really close to an image or an item, you'll be able to see it switches to macro mode, that little basically flower at the bottom left. If I tap on that, it will look really blurry, but if I tap on it again, it will switch to macro mode, indicating that even if you're super close to an item, it will be able to focus on that item. So make sure if you are really close, just tap on that flower if it is not selected, and it should be able to focus on it, and you should be able to be good to go to take a photo or video.